I want to quickly go over the 2020 MacBook Air that I spoke about yesterday. I mentioned in the video that the laptop has horrible cooling. We went under the thermal cam and we saw how the heatsink was getting extremely hot and the fan is not doing any cooling at all. A lot of people in the comments, they made valid and logical points where they said that the cover must be put on for heating to work properly. Now, I went online, I did a quick search. I wanted to see if I'm the only one with this point of view or if I'm the only one that thinks that this laptop has poor cooling, or maybe I'm missing something. Maybe it does have proper cooling and I'm not aware of how the machine is being cooled. Let's search the phrase 2020 MacBook Air overheating. I mean, look at this. The first post I see indicates that MacBook Air 2020 hotter and louder. A new warning issued over MacBook troubles, overheating problems, addressing the overheating issue. Does MacBook 2020 have overheating problem? Runs hotter than its predecessor. It can run louder. The new MacBook Air 2020 have such a problem overheating. I mean, a lot of posts online, a lot of threads online talking about the overheating problem with the 2020 MacBook Air. I have a valid point that the laptop does have a heating problem, even with the cover on. Even with the cover on, I do feel heat on this area of the heatsink. We're gonna inspect this under a thermal cam because one user mentioned in the comments, why don't you check this under a thermal cam with the cover on and see if the back cover is in fact absorbing the heat or not. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm curious to see how the back cover is gonna look like under the thermal cam, but right off the bat, I do feel heat on this area of the MacBook. So we'll see. Now, while the cover may help with the cooling of the heatsink, is it enough cooling? Is it enough cooling? I do not think so. Based on what I'm reading online now, it looks like it's a problem with the laptop. Right now, the laptop is on. We are doing absolutely no work on this laptop, no workload, no CPU load. I just have the activity monitor open. And the laptop should not be hot. Right now, we are doing absolutely no work on the laptop. And I want to check the back cover. We have the cover on. I want to check the laptop under a thermal cam. The thermal cam will show us if heat is being absorbed by the back cover. We're going to see how far heat is spreading on the back cover of this laptop. So look at this. Look at this. We have a huge heat spot here. A little bit of heat here. And the rest of the case does not look like it's absorbing any heat. Maybe when the laptop gets hotter, maybe heat is going to spread out more. The back casing may be doing some cooling, but is it enough cooling? Is it enough cooling? So this heat spot here is measuring 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are doing absolutely nothing on the laptop. We just have it on and we are not utilizing any programs. We are not utilizing the processor. We are not using any programs. Okay, so under the thermal cam, heat is coming from this area right here. So heat is coming from this area right here. A combination of possibly the heatsink and whatever is here. And the back cover goes in like this. I do not know how putting this cover on there is going to cool it. I mean, right now what we can do is we can apply thermal paste on here and put the cover on to see if in fact the heatsink is making a connection with the back cover here. I'm just curious. What I'm going to do is apply thermal paste on the heatsink and then we're going to put the cover on. And I want to see if there are any markings on the cover after we remove it, just to see if the cover is in fact making contact with the heatsink. So I put some thermal paste on the ear swab here. And just a tiny bit here on the heatsink. Okay, so we're going to put some here, like this. Maybe we should add more. I'll clean this off later. I mean, I have not tried this before. This is the first time I try it. I would assume that the cover may be making contact, but even if it is making contact, is it enough cooling? Let's see. We're going to put this on. Make sure it's tight. And let's remove the cover. Look at this. Clean. clean. So the cover is not making contact with the heatsink. Look at this. One more time. Let's remove it. Zero thermal paste. No thermal paste is stuck on this black thing that we see here. So the cover is not making contact with the heatsink. So how is the machine being cooled? I mean, I just wanted to go over this so we can clear out some misconceptions, and I wanted to find out for myself if in fact the cover is enough cooling for the machine. The cover is trapping air coming out of the fan and maybe spreading air inside, but that's not enough cooling. If the fan is not blowing on the heatsink, it's not gonna be enough cooling. So I'm glad I went over this. I could not wait until I came to the shop so I can try and see if the back cover is in fact absorbing the heat. I still would like to hear what you think and your comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.